Namaskar. In this video, I am going to tell you how I am making dry potato vegetable. I am also going to tell you how sentences of imperfect present tense or continuous present tense are constructed in English. Initially, I am peeling cooked potatoes to make dry potato vegetable. Then I am making small pieces of potatoes with knife. Now I am cutting onion for dry potato vegetable. Then I am cutting green chilies to make vegetable. Now I am cutting tomato into small pieces to add in vegetable. Now I am cutting coriander for vegetable. Everything is ready. Now I am lightening the gas with the lighter. Then I am putting a deep pan on the gas to make vegetable. Now I am putting some oil in a deep pan. When oil becomes hot, I am adding cumin. Then I am adding mustard, garlic and turmeric powder in oil. Then I am putting green chili in hot oil. After some time, I am adding curry leaves in oil. Then I am adding onion in oil. I am mixing all these things and frying very well. Then I am adding pieces of tomatoes. Then I am adding some asafoetida. Then I am adding potatoes in other things in a deep pan. I am mixing all these things very well. After mixing all things, I am adding salt according to the taste. Then I am putting these on a deep pan for some time. Then I am adding crushed groundnuts in it. Now I am putting coriander in the vegetable. Dry potato vegetable is ready. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and share.